The B-Ball has different ways of using it as a gadget. The B-Ball is just the perfect solution for keeping the keys in place. From now on, you could leave the keys right on your door. For using the B-Ball on any surface, the B-Ball pack includes 3 metal plates with 3M glue. Forget about losing your keys. From now on, the keys have a new place. You can easily organize your photos and memos on your fridge, cool decoration for your kitchen, or on your PC screen. The B-Ball can attach your phone to the car dashboard while driving. Taking a selfie with the B-Ball makes it easier.